Hey there, welcome to your Shopify store design full course. In this class, we are going to learn another new things that make our website more professional, more user friendly, and of course, you will not get this type featured in any Shopify free theme like drone theme, thread theme, or craft theme. So, this tutorials or this course will be very helpful as usual like previous. So, let's get started. So you know that we are following this design to make a Shopify online store like this one, and we have done so far header top, header, slider, shop by collection with carousel system, then the hover box or hover image box, then tab slide or tab product section, then we have added the countdown timer, and today we are going to add another things that is more unique and professional, and this is the running text without any space or gap, and this running text will be fully dynamic, customizable without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. You can control everything from the back end, from theme customization section. So you see that there have a text, then there have a text icon, also it's running automatically. You can control the speed, also you can control the icon changing, text changing, a lot of things. Okay, so as usual, first I try to implement the code snippet in my another website. This is custom case cover. You see, we have add or implement the code first in here, and I have added this code snippet. You see, looks good. Okay, it's working. Yes, now go to the backend. So here is my Shopify admin panel, then click online store, and first I want to show you the customize section, then I'll show you the code snippet. Okay, scroll down. Here is the section, marquee section that I have added. You see, you can control the animation speed. Looks here. See, it's slow right now. If I make it 5 seconds, so fast, we can make it 20 seconds. Yes, it's perfect. We can increase. Yes, and now go back the marquee text element section. Here you can see that we can add unlimited marquee text based on our requirement. Add marquee text, and we can change the text from here. Thank you for visit, just for an example. Thank you for visit. And then we can change the image from here. We can change image from library, explore free image, connect dynamic source, or we can remove anyone based on our requirement. You see, thank you for visit. So if you want to change the image, change image from library. For example, I'm going to add this one. Okay, we have to wait a little bit time to check the live update or see the live update. So wait a little bit time. We have changed this image. Thank you for your visit. Looks very carefully. You see, the image icon has been changed. Okay, now go back the code snippet section. In the code snippet section, go to the edit code and search marquee section. Here is the code snippet. First I have created a schema code section in here. If you want to learn Shopify theme development, then you should to learn schema code and liquid code. So here is the dynamic schema section. Under the schema also preset, a ready placeholder, that's meant preset, and then we added style and we give the HTML for display, and after that we have added the JavaScript. So that's all, but I'm not going to explain the code here because this tutorial is only for non-coder, non-technical who just want to get the result in a quick time. Just copy and paste from the code source, then implement on their website and get the result. That's why I just skip this code explain section. So I believe that this tutorials for beginner who want to learn Shopify store design by themselves without hiring a developer, without any coding skill. Also the beginner who wanted to learn Shopify store design to make money as a Shopify store designer, developer or customizer. So I hope you understand. Okay, so now we are going to implement this P chart on our website. So go to the our main website that we are developing. So go my partner account, login, so here is our main website that we are designing following this one, home decor store design. Open the online store to visit home page. Looks here. Okay, now we are going to add the tax marquee section. So to add this section, go back, click on the online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and open the section folder, add new section. We're going to write the section name running tax to easy understand. Done. Running text dot liquid, and now we have to implement the code snippet. So here is now again the very important question, how you will get the code snippet. You will get this code snippet, just you have to go to Google and type on Google e-commerce. This is very simple. Click on here, and go to the contract menu, click on contact us or contact with Faisal, then simply send message that I need this code snippet. Also mention the video or class name that you are watching, then you will get the free code snippet. Also you can send me message by WhatsApp instantly. So simple. Okay, so when you get the code snippet, you have to copy all the code that I'm doing right now, copy and paste on your website. After creating this file, running tax.liquid, you can keep any name as your wish. There is no any condition about the file name. For example, running tax, marquee tax, moving tax, anything. So then click on the save. Okay, and exist, and now go to the customize, scroll down, add new section, add new section. Okay, we are going to add new section from here, then scroll down, marquee section. You see, here is the marquee section. Then we have to change the images. For example, we are going to upload new image, download. Let me find the perfect one. Okay, for now we are going to add this image, this one. Okay, Also you can add another image in here. It will take a little bit time, so you have to wait to understand or learn everything smoothly and very clearly. And finally add another image. Yes, done. Perfect. And in the same way we have to change the text image, not text, from here. Actually we get everything like previous, so we don't have to face any complex issue. So simple. Again, so simple. And first process. Okay, you can change the text from here, you can control the speed from here, click on the save, and finally go to the our main page, actually where we are developing this section or this theme. Scroll down. Wow, it's working, you see. So we have to upload a little bit large size icon, then it will be more professional, more eye catching. So I hope you understand everything very easily, very quickly, and you can draw it by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.